When it comes to upgrading your Auburn Hills home for better energy efficiency and curb appeal, Bow Windows stand out as an exceptional option. These gently curved window structures not only enhance your exterior aesthetics but also contribute significantly to a more energy-efficient living space. Let's explore the energy-saving benefits of Bow Windows and why they are a smart investment for Auburn Hills homeowners. Enhanced natural lighting reduces energy demand. Bow windows consist of 4 or more window panels that curve outward from the home, creating a wider viewing angle and inviting more natural light into the room. This panoramic design allows sunlight to stream in throughout the day, reducing the need for artificial lighting. In Auburn Hills, where seasonal changes often mean higher utility bills, utilizing daylight during cold winters or mild spring days can help offset your energy consumption. Rooms illuminated naturally stay warmer during the day, allowing homeowners to lower heating usage without sacrificing comfort. Improved insulation with advanced materials. Modern Bow windows are built with high-performance materials that offer excellent insulation. Multi-pane glass, typically double or triple glaze, traps heat in winter and blocks heat in summer. Many Bow windows also include gas fills like argon or krypton between the panes, which reduce thermal transfer far better than air. In Auburn Hills, where temperatures fluctuate dramatically between seasons, this advanced insulation plays a critical role in maintaining a consistent indoor temperature. Less reliance on heating and cooling systems means lower monthly energy bills and a reduced carbon footprint. Tight seals eliminate drafts and air leaks. Older window styles can develop gaps and leaks over time, especially in harsh Michigan climates. Bow windows, when professionally installed, are tightly sealed to prevent drafts and moisture from penetrating your home. These tight seals are especially crucial during Auburn Hills winters, where icy winds can drive up heating costs if your windows aren't properly fitted. By replacing drafty, outdated windows with well-sealed Bow windows, homeowners can maintain a more stable indoor environment and stop energy waste in its tracks. Energy-efficient frames that last. The window frame itself plays a big role in energy performance. Bow windows are available in a range of frame materials such as vinyl, fiberglass, and wood-clad composites, each offering its own level of insulation. Vinyl and fiberglass frames, in particular, are known for their thermal efficiency and minimal maintenance requirements. In Auburn Hills, where residents often experience both humid summers and freezing winters, these low-conductivity materials help ensure the window frame doesn't transfer outdoor temperatures inside. Strategic ventilation for efficient airflow. Another key advantage of Bow windows is that their design often includes operable casement or double-hung panels on either end. These can be opened for ventilation, promoting natural airflow throughout your home. During the warmer months, especially in spring and fall when temperatures are moderate in Auburn Hills, you can rely on cross-ventilation to cool your home instead of running your AC system. This eco-friendly approach can significantly cut down on energy usage and keep your indoor air feeling fresh and comfortable. Long-term cost savings and home value. Though Bow windows are a premium window type, they provide long-term savings through improved energy efficiency. Over time, the reduced strain on your HVAC system and lower monthly bills can offset the initial investment. Plus, Bow Windows boost home value. Their elegant, curved structure adds architectural interest both inside and out. For Auburn Hills homeowners looking to increase their property's resale appeal, energy-efficient Bow windows are an attractive selling point for eco-conscious buyers. Final thought: energy efficiency is no longer just a trend, it's a necessity for homeowners looking to reduce their environmental impact and utility expenses. Bow Windows offer Auburn Hills residents a beautiful and practical solution. By allowing in natural light, improving insulation, minimizing drafts, and providing ventilation, these windows deliver a powerful combination of energy savings and style. If you're planning an upgrade, consider Bow Windows not just as a design feature, but as a smart investment in your home's efficiency and comfort.